Hello everyone. This is a video of an unboxing of one of my Destash kits. Which one are you waiting for? Hopefully this is one of them. This one, I have a duplicate, so this isn't my only one. I am going to hopefully do the other one for my next Sesame Street choice of canvas, but I don't know. I got this one to do this year for Elmo's birthday, but it didn't work out that way because I was just too busy. But is this one that you want? Remember, you will have to pay shipping. Make me an offer. This would be great in a kid's playroom when it's complete, and when you get it framed, make sure you put an acrylic cover. You know, instead of glass, put acrylic over it. So if a ball hits it, it's good. So this was a canvas I got at Joann's. This is Sesame Street Friends by Sesame Workshop. It's a 16 by 13. It has 15 colors with 2 ABs for a total of 17,082 drills. It comes with your little sticker. It won't come with that because it's no good. And one of the earlier toolkits. I don't know if this is an original toolkit or if this was the second style toolkit or if this was the one unique for Joann. Okay, you get a bag of baggies. You get 2 heart waxes. You get a squishy and you get a pen. And maybe I can get the squishy on the pen. Nope, you're going to have to do that. And you get a tray and a multi-placer for the other end of the pen. That's what comes in this kit, in this toolbox. So here is all the baggies. You get quite a bit. And then here is the sticker. The sticker I'm going to put in here. So let me move that pen over there. And let me put the sticker in here. And this is your toolkit. Now, let's see the canvas. So this toolkit was an older toolkit. It did not come with washi tape, and it did not come with a cover minder. And this kit has not been opened by me. This is the first time. Yep, and it doesn't say anything about those on the contents. So this is, oh, so cute. So cute. Here is your step-by-step instructions. Like I said, it's an older kit, so thank you for your purchase. Tips and tricks. How to. This is a 16 by 13, like I said. Look at how adorable. Lots and lots of color blocking in this. So if you like color blocking, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's in Elmo, it's in Cookie, it's in Grover, it's in Oscar, it's in Big Bird. It's everywhere. Everywhere. So we've got 15 colors. 5,200 is the clouds. You can easily substitute that for like fairy dust, because that's a very common fairy dust, or AB, is 52, which is white. And it is a round drill kit. And it has 130 and 132 are the ABs. So, the stick is very good. And let's look at the colors. Going to try to put them back in. Okay, we're going to open them like a book. Okay. 2 bags of 310s, a lot of outlining. That's what you're going to primarily use your 310 for. And the 3761 is going to be your equal sign, which is all around the clouds and the background of the canvas. Wow, 2 bags of the 130, which is going to be Big Bird. That's the only yellow on the canvas is the Big Bird. And he's going to be all done in ABs. So there's your 52. And then there's your other AB, which is number 132. Which is probably going to be Elmo's nose. Yep, it's going to be Elmo's nose. And Cookie's cookie. And the crumbs coming out of Cookie. That's all going to be orange for the Cookie and Elmo's nose. So they are highlighting Big Bird and Cookie. Do you have any suggestions on what I should highlight? Well, I have another one that I will be doing. Because like I said, this is the second one that I have. I have another one. Look at these pretty colors. And this red is Elmo. Elmo red. So this is Elmo. I mean, not Elmo. What are we doing here? Sesame Street. That's what we're doing here. This is our Sesame Street canvas with 15 colors. Primarily primary colors. I love the color palette on this one. But like I said, it has a lot of color blocking. And if I do it, it will be done probably next year sometime. And if you buy this from me, we can do an event together. Because we will already have canvases. Make me an offer, plus shipping. And I will let you know. And I'm trying to put this back in here. Okay. Let me try to follow the pattern. On. Okay. Well, see if I can get this back in here. It is not going to be pretty, like Diamond Art Club gets it in there. But I did it. It's back in. There's your pretty yellow. And there's your white. Let me know. Let me know your suggestions. And let me show you the canvas. This will look great in a playroom or in a kid's bedroom. If they love Sesame Street, they will love this. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. This is adorable. Send me an email at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com and make me an offer plus shipping. And I think shipping will probably be about $9 for this, $9 to $10. So add that to whatever you want to offer me for it. And I look forward to talking to you. Bye, everybody, and be kind.